And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her that everything that was going down for a reason, and she wasn't trying to.
Do you want to go outside? Do it again. Find it.
No. Rachel. Rachel, cover. Rachel, cover.
You gotta open your legs up, baby. There you go.
Cover. Rachel, cover.
No. No! Bentley, don't touch. She doesn't want to be touched. Bentley. Bentley. No. Leave her alone. No. No. Don't touch her. She's not yours to touch. Don't. No. No, no.
My heel.
He's crazy.
Oh my.
No. Okay. Now do this. No. You're fine.
I know.
You're fine. You're fine.